Hi everyone, welcome to the Node.js video tutorial, and in this video tutorial we are going to learn how we can create the MySQL table with the Python. And if you don't know how we can just start with the MySQL and the Python and what package we need to install and how to install, you can watch our previous video and link is given in the description box. So let's continue with this video. And first of all I want to tell you that what we need to do during this video. First of all, we have to import the MySQL connector, then we have to put the credentials of the database, then we need to write a simple query and execute it with the Python code. Okay, so now let's get start. So first of all, this is the start.py file, and this is the placed in the desktop and Python folder. So I'm just going to open the command prompt. So just go to there, desktop, Python, and you can see that we have a file here. So just first of all just write the Python, execute it. First of all, Python 3.7 is my Python version, and we can just write here start.py, and you can see that we got here. Alright, so now just start with the code. Before it, you can see that this is my localhost and this is my database name user, and we have the three tables here, and we are going to create here fourth table. Alright, so now just write here. So first of all, I'm going to zoom out this screen so that you can watch it clearly. So first of all, just write the import MySQL connector. Alright, and that's my bad. Okay, in the next line just take a variable, the MySQL, and we can put the credentials here, such as MySQL dot connector. Yep, that's my MySQL dot connector dot connect, and here we can pass the some variable. First variable name is localhost, which is the host name, and the second one is user, and my username is the root, and the password. Alright, and for the password you just need to write the PAWSWD, not the password. Alright, so my password is redhat123, and in your case it can be different, or maybe it's a blank. Alright, and at the last parameter is database, and my database name is user, as we just seen. Alright, after I have everything, I am going to take one more variable with the my cursor. Okay, and why we are taking the cursor, just write here MySQL dot cursor. And why we are taking the cursor? Because cursor function allow us to write the MySQL commands directly here. So just write here my cursor dot execute, and the execute here we can just write our command. So just I'm going to create the create table name, let's say Python. Alright, and with the Python we can just type here some column name, such as the name, and name can be a varchar, such as the value of varchar is 200. Alright, so just take it in the next line so that we can write it easily. Alright, and the second parameter we can take the second one column also, so it can be such as address, and address can also varchar, and varchar such as whatever you want to take the values, like 100 or anything else. Alright, so after writing this, just open the command prompt and just run this, and you can see that it's showing nothing and it's executed. That means we are just okay. So there is some issue. Okay, so let's check what issue is that. Okay, so it's giving me the error in the line number 6. Okay, so just checked it. And okay, so we just found the issues there. We just misspelled this, the local host, and you can now, let's see, just clear the window and just write it, and you will see that we got the new command line text editor. So this is run, and just checked here, you can see that we got the Python table here with the 2 fields. Alright, so this is a very simple, and if you still have any kind of confusion, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and like our videos. Thanks guys, thanks for watching this.